now. And now I gotta get ready, so I gotta take him to daycare. Dude, what? I gotta take him to daycare, and I gotta get me ready to get to training a few clients this morning, so just playing catch up. All right, so the kid is in daycare now. I had no idea it was snowing today, but apparently it snowed overnight. Whew, now I'm just making me some quick oats and go train a couple clients, work out, and then who knows what else the day has in stores for your boy. But it's going to be a busy day nonetheless. I didn't watch the Duke game last night, and come to find out, Zion Williamson didn't even play more than 5 minutes. Like, yo, Nike, first of all, I fuck with you, but yo, some serious work gotta go into your shoes, all right? Man, imagine paying $2,500 for the nosebleed tickets only for the person that you came to see come out of the game and not return. Anywho, your boy is about to go work out. Just finished my sessions here in the South End, and gonna get my training sessions on. So walking over the links right now. That was a good one. Now I'm just stretching out my hips and gonna hit the shower. And then get on. Whoa, just woke up from a much needed nap, cause it's about to be a marathon once this kid gets home. So now let me just do some more work on the Mac and then pick him up. We bumping that Post Malone's Beer Bongs and Bentleys. I'm really enjoying this album actually. I didn't give it a chance when it first came out, but it's dope. Like, this dude's a dope ass artist, man. Definitely want to pull up to one of his shows and see how he get down. Right now I'm just editing, just minor touches to some clients' work, and then I should be done. But it's like I said, it's one of those tedious sort of things that you just want to immediately get rid of. Done. Album is done. Yo, bravo to the homie Post Malone. Like, I don't know if this is his actual latest album, but I think he just came out with another one. But that Beer Bongs and Bentley is definitely a chuff tune. Yo, I gotta clean up this office, go pick up this kid. Yo, my G, hey, out of those pants, dog. Let's go, out of there, come on. one of the hardest things to do is keep his hands out of like these cabinets, and he's like so, you gotta just keep an eye on them all times. Look at him. What are you doing? Huh? Making his dinner right now. This is part 2, night 2 of his dinner. So he has, I'm gonna show you what he's eating, because we gotta get him big and strong if he's gonna be an athlete. Alright, so he got, he got some broccoli cheddar and salmon patty. And we got some, this little smart pouch right here with some fruits and veggies in there. And then a little clementine. And that's your boy's meal. So let's set him on the table and let's get him to eat. First bite is normally crucial. So he's eating it. So that's good. More? More? Yeah, more. More cheddar? Oh. Alright, let's give you another one, man. Come on, eat that. More? Yeah. Yo, I ain't gonna front. Wifey cooked up this broccoli cheddar and it's delicious. Like, I wish I had these growing up. More? More? And just like that, round number 2 goes to your boy, Big C's. Alright? Big Caesar 2, Little C's 0. Alright, he's down and down for the count. Now it's my turn to have dinner and unwind and get down. Get down with the get down. Alright, your boy is about to have his dinner. My sister's actually on the train heading from NYC to help me out this weekend with August and spend some quality time with me. So I'm looking forward to having her here and have some brother, sister, and son time. And we'll see how this weekend pans out. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna just wait for my sis, eat dinner, and unwind. All right, till the next time.